Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on multiplication. And we're going to be looking at doing 3 times by 391, which is the same as 391 times by 3 because multiplication is commutative. It means it doesn't matter the order you multiply numbers together in, it will give you the same answer. Remember, write your answer in the box provided here. This will give you 1 mark in the exam. Our key facts are that we need to use the column method or the grid method if you're using a written method. Or in this case here, because you're multiplying by 3, some children might like to think this is adding 3 lots of 391, so they might find it quicker to do 391 plus 391 plus 391. But it is better to get practiced at using the column method for the multiplication, because if it is worth more than 1 mark, you need to go to the column method to get any method marks later on. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and once you've got yourself an answer, press play. Fantastic. So we're going to start off with the column method. So I've got 3 times by 1. So remember the 1's columns line up first, and 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 9. Now remember, when you do your 9's times table, you can use your fingers. So because you're multiplying by 3, if you hold your hands up in front of you and put the 3rd finger down on your left hand, you have got 2 fingers to the left, which means 20, so 2 tens, and to your right you've got 7 fingers, which are the ones, so it's 27. So we carry the 2 up here. Now it doesn't matter whether you write the 2 above or below. Some people prefer to write it below, some people prefer to write it above, and the 7 comes in here. Next I've got 3 times 3, which is 9, plus the 2 takes you to 11, which gives you the answer 1173, and that needs to get written in the box here. The second method is using the grid method. So we need to partition this number 391 into 391 because I've got 300s for 300. I've got in the tens column I've got 9, so that's 90, and in the ones column I've just got a 1, and I'm multiplying that by 3. So I've got to multiply 3 by 300. Now 3 times 3 is 9, and if you're multiplying by 100, you need to move the digits 2 places to the left, which is also the same as adding 2 zeros on the end, which gives me 900. Then I've got 3 times by 90. Now 3 times 9 is 27, and then I've got a 0 because I'm multiplying by 90, so I add a 0 on the end to give me 270. Or you could have started with that 27, multiplying by 10, both the digits move 1 place to the left, which gives you the 270. I've then got 3 times 1, which is 3. And then I need to work out the answer and then put it in the box. So once you've got these 3 numbers here, we then need to add these numbers together. So that is going to give me 900 plus 270 plus 3. So adding this column up here, I've got 0 plus 0 plus 3, which is 3. I've got 0 plus 7 is just 7. And I've got 9 plus 2, which gives me 11. And then writing the answer in the box gives me this number here. And that is your correct answer. So give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Great work. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 1173 for 1 mark, which is 1M. If you found this video useful, please tell your friends and share, and so we can all get great at maths together. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.